Have you ever wondered why, despite your efforts to eat healthier, you still feel bloated, sluggish, or even struggle with weight? You're doing everything right, but something isn't adding up. The truth: it could all come down to one simple thing you've likely been eating every day: bread. But hold on, I'm not just talking about carbs here. What I'm about to share may change how you view that loaf in your kitchen forever. Bread has been a dietary staple for centuries, and for many, it's a comfort food. We've been taught that whole wheat or multigrain options are the healthy choice. But is that really true? Could bread, even the so-called healthy kinds, be sabotaging your health? In this video, we're uncovering 7 shocking truths about bread that you need to know. By the end, you'll see why skipping that slice could be the best decision for your well-being. And trust me, you won't want to miss the last reason. It's something nobody talks about. Number 1. Blood sugar roller coaster. You've been told that whole grain bread is better for your blood sugar, right? But did you know that even healthy bread can spike your blood sugar just as much as sugary snacks? Yeah. One slice of bread can cause rapid sugar spikes, leading to crashes that leave you craving more. It's a vicious cycle that could be silently increasing your risk of type 2 diabetes. The constant up and down of your blood sugar can also affect your mood, making you feel irritable or anxious without knowing why. This makes it hard to focus or maintain energy throughout the day. Could this one slice be undoing all your efforts to maintain stable energy? Stay tuned to find out how easily you can break the cycle. Number 2. Hidden additives and preservatives. Think that loaf of bread on the shelf is simple and clean. Think again. Most store-bought bread contains hidden additives, preservatives, and chemicals to extend its shelf life. These ingredients can disrupt your gut health, leading to bloating, indigestion, and even long-term digestive issues. The scary part: you can't always spot these harmful ingredients on the label. Many bread manufacturers hide these chemicals under vague terms like dough conditioners or emulsifiers. Over time, this toxic overload can harm your gut microbiome, affecting your immunity and digestion. How do these invisible enemies hide in plain sight? And what's the true cost to your body? The answer will make you rethink that harmless slice of bread. Number 3. Bread and your brain. We all know that bread fuels your body, but could it be hurting your brain? Studies show that the refined carbs in bread may lead to cognitive decline over time. That brain fog you've been feeling after lunch. It might not be your busy schedule. It could be your sandwich. Overconsumption of bread has been linked to memory loss and even increased risk of dementia. What's worse is that these effects can be gradual, creeping up on you without warning. Bread's constant spikes in blood sugar levels over time have been shown to impact your ability to focus and retain information. What happens to your brain when you stop eating bread altogether? The answer might surprise you, and the improvement in your mental clarity could be fast. If you're finding this information eye-opening so far, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps spread the word and lets me know you're enjoying the content. Plus, it encourages me to keep bringing you more valuable health insights. So, go ahead and hit that like button. Number 4. The gluten problem. You've heard about gluten sensitivity, but did you know that even if you're not celiac, gluten in bread can still wreak havoc on your system? Gluten can cause inflammation, which is at the root of many chronic diseases, from arthritis to heart disease. Even if you don't feel symptoms immediately, long-term consumption could be setting you up for health issues down the road. Gluten also disrupts gut health, leading to issues like leaky gut, where toxins can enter your bloodstream, causing even more inflammation. Over time, this can lead to skin issues, fatigue, and joint pain. Could inflammation from bread be the silent reason for your persistent aches and pains? The solution may be easier than you think. Number 5. The fiber deception. Whole grain bread is loaded with fiber, they say. But here's the truth. Many breads contain minimal natural fiber, and the fiber added to them is often synthetic. Real fiber from fruits and vegetables is far more effective for digestion and gut health. The added fiber in bread might not even be enough to counteract its negative effects. Without real fiber, bread passes quickly through your digestive system, offering little nutritional benefit. And here's the catch. Synthetic fiber can actually cause more harm by irritating your intestines, leading to discomfort and bloating. Is bread really helping your digestion or making it worse? The real fix might be a simple switch that improves your overall gut health. Number 6. Weight gain trap. Have you been eating bread in moderation but still not seeing the results you want in terms of weight loss? Here's why. Bread is high in calories but low in nutrients, meaning it fills you up without providing the essential vitamins and minerals your body needs. It tricks your body into thinking it's full, but soon after, you're hungry again. This cycle can lead to overeating and unwanted weight gain. Bread is also a source of empty calories, meaning you're consuming energy but not getting the nutrients that help you burn fat or build muscle. Could cutting out bread be the missing link to your weight loss success? You'll want to hear this next, especially if you've been stuck in a plateau. If you're getting value from these insights and want to stay updated on more health tips like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. By subscribing, you won't miss out on future videos that could make a big difference in your health journey. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you'll be the first to know when new content drops. Number 7. Addiction factor. Did you know that bread can be addictive? The combination of carbs and sugars in bread releases dopamine in the brain, creating a feel-good sensation that can make it hard to stop eating. This is why you might find yourself reaching for a second or third slice, even when you know you should stop. And over time, this addiction can contribute to overeating and other health problems. Bread can also mess with your hunger hormones, making it harder to recognize when you're actually full, leading to even more consumption and cravings for similar foods. What can you do to break free from the bread addiction once and for all? The solution is simpler than you think, and it starts with this one change. All right, now that you've heard the shocking truths about bread, it's time to reveal the answers to the questions we posed at the end of each point. You've been wondering if cutting out bread could truly transform your energy, brain function, weight, and overall health. So let's dive into exactly how those changes can happen when you eliminate bread from your diet. These solutions might just be the key to unlocking a healthier, more vibrant version of yourself. 1. Could this one slice be undoing all your efforts to maintain stable energy? Yes. That one slice of bread could be contributing to your constant energy crashes. The high glycemic index of most bread, especially white and processed bread, causes a rapid spike in blood sugar, followed by an equally fast drop. This drop leaves you feeling tired, craving more carbs, and disrupting your energy levels throughout the day. Over time, these frequent spikes and crashes can lead to insulin resistance, which increases your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Avoiding bread helps stabilize blood sugar levels, leading to more consistent energy and fewer cravings. 2. How do these invisible enemies hide in plain sight? And what's the true cost to your body? The additives and preservatives in bread are often listed under generic names like dough conditioners or emulsifiers, making them difficult to identify. These chemicals, designed to prolong the shelf life of bread, can irritate your digestive system and cause inflammation. Over time, these toxic ingredients can harm your gut health, leading to digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and even more serious problems like leaky gut syndrome. Cutting out processed bread removes these hidden threats, allowing your digestive system to function better and promoting a healthier gut. 3. What happens to your brain when you stop eating bread altogether? When you cut out bread, especially those high in refined carbs, your brain benefits almost immediately. Instead of experiencing brain fog and fatigue from the sugar spikes, you'll notice improved mental clarity and better focus. Refined carbs like those in bread cause fluctuations in blood sugar that negatively affect your brain's function, but removing them helps stabilize your cognitive abilities. You'll likely feel more mentally sharp, and over time, you'll reduce the risk of developing neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's or dementia. 4. Could inflammation from bread be the silent reason for your persistent aches and pains? Yes. Even if you don't have celiac disease, gluten in bread can trigger inflammation in your body. Chronic inflammation is the root cause of many conditions like joint pain, skin issues, and even cardiovascular problems. Gluten can irritate the lining of your gut, leading to leaky gut syndrome, where harmful particles pass into the bloodstream, causing widespread inflammation. Eliminating gluten-rich bread can help reduce this inflammation, potentially easing joint pain, skin problems, and overall discomfort, leading to a healthier and more vibrant body. 5. Is bread really helping your digestion or making it worse? Bread is often marketed as a fiber-rich food, but the truth is that many types of bread contain synthetic or processed fiber that isn't as effective as natural sources of fiber. This synthetic fiber can irritate your digestive system and lead to bloating and discomfort. Real fiber from fruits, vegetables, and legumes is far superior in promoting gut health. When you swap bread for whole, fiber-rich foods, you'll improve your digestion, reduce bloating, and nourish the beneficial bacteria in your gut, leading to better overall digestive health. 6. Could cutting out bread be the missing link to your weight loss success? Yes. Eliminating bread can be the key to breaking through your weight loss plateau. Bread is calorie-dense and nutrient-poor, meaning you consume a lot of calories without getting essential nutrients. Plus, its high glycemic index triggers hunger signals, making you feel hungry shortly after eating. By cutting bread from your diet, you reduce your intake of empty calories and stabilize your hunger hormones. This helps you stay fuller for longer, control your cravings, and reduce overall calorie consumption, leading to more effective weight loss results. 7. What can you do to break free from the bread addiction once and for all? Breaking free from bread addiction starts with gradually replacing it with more nutrient-dense, satisfying foods. Foods rich in protein, healthy fats, and natural fiber, like vegetables, nuts, and seeds, keep you full and satisfied for longer. These foods don't trigger the same dopamine spikes that bread does, helping you avoid the addictive cycle. Over time, as your body adjusts, you'll find that cravings for bread diminish, and you'll no longer feel the urge to reach for that extra slice. Cutting out bread can free you from its addictive grip, allowing you to make healthier, more conscious food choices. There you have it. 7 shocking truths about bread that most people don't realize. From blood sugar spikes to hidden chemicals, cognitive decline, and weight gain, bread may not be the harmless food we once thought. By reconsidering how much bread you consume or even cutting it out entirely, you could transform your health in ways you didn't think possible. So, is it time to say goodbye to bread? If you know someone who's still eating bread without realizing these hidden dangers, be sure to share this video with them. It could be the wake-up call they need to make healthier choices. Let's spread the knowledge and help others take control of their health too. Just click the share button below. And before you go, make sure to check out another video on my channel, 11 of the healthiest foods to eat for breakfast. If you're ready to start your day off with foods that fuel your body and mind, you won't want to miss it. In that video, I'll reveal a breakfast food that most people overlook, but it's one of the most nutrient-dense foods you can eat. Trust me, it'll revolutionize your mornings. So click here and discover the ultimate transformation for your breakfast routine.